Hi, it's Kerry. My farmer David has decided to earn more income by running a doggy daycare centre. Goat, cow, llama, foal and alpaca. I hope we get lots of dogs and puppies today. This is the Rottweiler puppy. The Rottweiler is one of the oldest of herding breeds and also used as guard dogs. They grow to a medium to large size. Nowadays they're used as search and rescue dogs, guide dogs for the blind, and guard dogs and police dogs. They're very protective of their territory. Remember to tell me how many puppies in today's video. Is it 11, 13 or 15? A German Shepherd puppy. This breed grows to a medium to large size. It's a working dog that comes from Germany. They were originally developed for herding sheep and were bred specifically for their intelligence. Due to their strength, intelligence, trainability and obedience, they are often the preferred breed for many types of work, including disability assistance, search and rescue, police and military roles, and even acting. The St. Bernard puppy loves to be part of the family. They love to come indoors and also access the farmyard. Inside the house they're a bit messy as they drool and shed fur and track in mud and dirt. Absolutely adorable. They love a cuddle and will snuggle up right next to you and lean on you. Another German Shepherd puppy. They're always willing to learn and can be well trained. They are curious, which makes them excellent guard dogs and suitable for search missions. The cat. Cats have powerful night vision, allowing them to see at light levels 6 times lower than what we would need. They also have excellent hearing and a powerful sense of smell. This is our vet. She checks the puppies and looks after everyone here. She's really good and the animals just adore her. The kittens. These are absolutely adorable. They love to chase toys and play fight. Play fighting amongst kittens may be a way for them to practice and learn skills for hunting and fighting. And more kittens. Cats can be lethal hunters and very sneaky. When they walk, their back paws step almost exactly into the same place as the front paws did beforehand. This keeps noise to a minimum and limits visible tracks. Cats spend a large amount of time licking their coats to keep them clean. The collie is a distinctive type of herding dog, which includes many related breeds. This type of dog originated in Scotland and northern England. They are good working dogs with lots of stamina. Another German Shepherd puppy. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and obedient. They are one of the most widely used breeds in a wide variety of scent work roles. These include search and rescue, narcotic detection, explosive detection, accelerant detection and mine detection. The Golden Retriever is a large-sized breed of dog. They were originally bred as gun dogs to retrieve shot waterfowl such as ducks and game birds during hunting and shooting parties. They were named Retriever because they were able to bring back the game undamaged. The ginger cat. Our cats like hunting mice and rats. When they are not hunting or playing, they sleep for an average of 13 hours a day. The greyhound puppy. They are tall, slender dogs with a lean, muscular body, deep chest, and they are fast. They have good eyesight and are used as racing dogs, in fact the fastest dog in the world. Greyhounds can reach average race speeds of 39 miles per hour. Oh, we've got a dachshund now. It's a breed of dog that is small in height but long from front to back with short legs. The breed was developed to use its sense of smell to find, chase and hunt badgers and other animals that live in holes due to its shape and size. The Bernese Mountain Puppy. The mountain dog was originally kept as a general farm dog for guarding property and to drive dairy cattle long distances from the farm to the alpine pastures. In the past, they were also used as draft animals, pulling carts. Another golden retriever. Retrievers have an instinctive love of water and are easy to train. They are able to reach basic or advanced obedience standards. And another golden retriever. They are popular as disability assistant dogs, such as a guide dog for the blind or hearing dogs for the deaf. In addition, they're trained to be hunting dogs, detection dogs, and a search and rescue dog as well. The Corgi is a small type of herding dog specifically for cattle that originated in Wales. They are a type of herding dog referred to as heelers because they nip at the heels of the larger animals to keep them on the move. They have short legs, placing their bodies close to the ground. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals and puppies. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.